My dear students, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. In our today's video, we are going to discuss about the calculations related to the gram atoms, that how we can calculate the gram atoms in the different problems. So, to find the number of gram atoms, before to find that, you guys must know that what does mean by the gram atoms. So, basically, gram atoms is the we have an element. It is made up of atoms, and when we express its mass in grams, then it is known as gram atoms, or it can be also called it as gram atomic mass. So for its calculation, here we have a formula. So the formula is very simple for its calculation. The formula we have, it is number of gram atoms, it is equal to mass of element in grams, element in grams divided by the molar mass. So this is the formula that we can use to find the number of grams of any substance. So let's discuss one example for the calculation. Number one, we have to calculate the gram atoms or the mole present in 0.1 gram of sodium and 0.1 kg of the silicon. So here we have the mass in grams. So you guys also must know about its molar mass. So to calculate or the solution for this, we have number of gram atoms. First we find of sodium. For this we need to know the mass of sodium in grams. Then we need to divide it with the molar mass. So here we have mass of sodium is 0.1 gram divided by the molar mass of sodium, which is 23. So by calculating this, we can get it is equal to 4.3 into 10 raised to power minus 3 mole, or we can also write it as gram per mole. So this is the gram atoms of sodium. Next we have the second problem for 0.1 kg of silicon. Here we have 0.1 kg. It was the first part. Now we have the second part. We have 0.1 kg of silicon. So first of all, we have to convert that 0.1 kg to grams. How we can convert that? Simple, by multiplying it with 1000. So when we multiply 0.1 with 1000, we get 100 grams of silicon. So here we have 100 grams of silicon. So by applying the simple this formula, mass of silicon we have 100 grams divided by the molar mass of silicon, which is 14. So the answer we gain, it is 3.56 mole. So this is the simple way to find the gram atoms of any substance by using the simple formula. Next we have another example, that is example number 2 for the calculation of the mass. So to calculate the mass of 10 raised to power 3 moles of the magnesium sulfate. So here we have the moles, that is 10 raised to power minus 3. So by using these moles, we have to calculate the mass of the substance. So the first one that we have to do for its solution, we need to find its molar mass. So the molar mass of magnesium sulfate. To find the molar mass of all the substances, you guys need to remember the mass or the atomic mass of the all elements. So here we have magnesium sulfate. Formula mass for this magnesium, its mass number is 24, and sulfur we have 32, plus oxygen we have 16 multiplied by 4. So the answer we gain from this, it is 120 gram per mole. So this is the molar mass of magnesium sulfate. Now first of all we have to find the number of gram formula or the moles. So the formula that we will apply over there, it is number of moles, it is 10 raised to power minus 3 moles. So formula we have moles or gram atoms, it is basically is equal to mass of substance divided by its molar mass. So here magnesium sulfate, one thing you need to remember, it is the ionic compound, so we will use the term molar mass or the formula mass. Both the terms we can use for it, as it is ionic compound, so we will prefer to use the formula mass for this. So here we have the moles, it is 10 raised to power minus 3. We need to know the mass of substance that we have to find divided by the molar mass, and the molar mass is 120 gram per mole. So the answer for this solution we have mass of substance is equal to 0.12 grams. How we just gain this? By simple multiplying 120 with 10 raised to power minus 3. So this is a simple way of formula. By using this we can find the moles as well as we can find the mass of substance easily. I hope you guys understand about the topic, and if you have any queries you may ask me about it in the comment section. And in the next topic we will discuss about the Avogadro's number. As Avogadro's number is very simple topic, so for that time you guys have good day and Allah Hafiz.